Hello guys, welcome to the class. Again, for this special class, I'm going to share with you the mechanics and the dynamics of the quiz for today. This quiz contains 10 questions. Remember that the quiz will cost you 20% of the 40% total of the final partial. And you will have it in two different occasions. This is the first one. The process, as you already know, have been shown to you. And my idea is that next week, we're going to go deeper into what we have studied and start a new topic about first language acquisition. The four first questions of the quiz are multiple choices. So as you can see here, I'm going to just quick answer anything. So you would see exactly how many I can get. And then I will go to the next section. It has 10 questions. Four of them are closed questions and the other ones are open. So you can possibly write and see from your perspective how to apply it into real context. The section 2 is about practical use. I'm providing you a video, a short one. It's only 5 minutes or less. And then I'm going to ask you to get an example from the conversation and see what kind of pragmatism we would have if we use the question. And I want you to justify your answer, especially in this one. In this question, you're going to get a quick description. I want to get, sorry, a quick description between the difference between what linguistic applied and applied linguistic is, okay? Especially from your own perspective. If you're going to use like real elaborated language, try to provide an example in case you think it is really like confusing or something, but try to provide an example. The next one says you're going to choose parts of the sentences or pieces of the sentences in which you can just justify how to apply syntax, semantics, and morphology from the conversation. I'm going to quickly fill it out with some letters so I can just move forward, and then you'll see what is the final part of the text. And time to think. I really want you to explain it into your own words. It says, how can you explain the fact that applied linguistics can be autonomous and multidisciplinary at the same time? This is related to the characteristics of applied linguistics. Remember that this branch, big field of language and study is related exactly to problem solving, autonomous, multidisciplinary. So I want you to think about it and provide a full answer with a possible justification so I can just read it completely. Use your English, full good English, please. Here, if there is a case of a case and a witness is lying about the fact he saw, the subfield that would study most his part of the language and analyzes what he says is what. That question was also studied, possibly not during the presentation, but before. So I hope you can have it in mind. And finally, this is your personal question, so you can have your own possible answer. So I hope like you don't have any more questions. And if you do, I'll be there available in the chat. Remember that I'll meet with the groups one by one so I can possibly have some feedbacks and see if you want to see your score at the end. Well, I'm going to stop the video here. Thank you guys and see you in a bit.